Difficult.
The chicken goes.
And the dog goes woof woof.
The cat goes.
Meow.
And the ostrich goes. The whale goes. The dinosaur goes.
The horse goes. Oh! The gorilla goes.
And the lion goes.
The alligator goes.
And the jungle cat goes. A flock of sheep go. Oh, crikey, mate. Thank you so much for coming on the safari. Basically, all the animals we have just named and given their species and what sounds they make is all you need to know for the safari if you ever to go on one.
Thank you for joining us on
From jungle cats to reptiles. High five.